Hello, it's Andrew here at Life and Pig Grow, and welcome to a beautiful summer's day. Birds are singing, the chickens are chucking, and we're looking at sweet peas and how to plant them. This is our sweet pea wigwams. Quite tall because I'm hoping to get lots of flowers. So, what you couldn't see initially is the string. I'm going to show you that now. There's the string that goes along the bottom and string that goes up, and it's about 6 inches apart from the hazel poles. So you're going to take your sweet peas, you're going to put your fingers over the plants like so, and your thumb like that, knock it out, and there it is, out it comes. I'm going to show you how to plant it now. Take your sweet pea and literally make a hole. This has had compost added to it recently, but it's really hot today, so the soil's a bit baked. And we always plant on the inside of any support, then we pop it in. And what will happen is, as the plant grows, it'll scramble up. I'm going to show you how to plant it against one of these as well. So again, knock it out of the pot. There's your plant. Dig a hole on the inside. Pop your plant in. But this time slightly different. Take a piece of string, and this is what you'll do to support your sweet peas as they're growing. Thread it round in a figure of 8, and I'm going to show you this in a cutaway in a minute, and then tie it on, and that will support it. So what do I mean by a figure of 8? So there's your string, like that, it's looped over. You see loop? Imagine that's a branch. When you tie any plant on it, it stops it rubbing against the support on this bit. Obviously it's tied around the support. That gives you a lovely figure of 8. Again, stops this rubbing against the support. You don't want it rubbing against the support because you'll end up with a dead plant. That's how you plant sweet peas. So don't forget, we're here every Saturday with good how-to films to show you how to plant, how to grow food, how to cook, how to do anything under the sun to do with cooking and eating. So until next time, goodbye from me. Bye bye.